Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Coindcx. First, log into your Coindcx account, then go to Funds or Wallet and select USDT. Then, click Deposit. Now, choose the network for the transfer with TRC20 recommended for lower fees and copy the USDT deposit address provided. Make sure the network matches your USDT type to avoid any lost funds. Next, open the Trust Wallet and select USDT from your wallet. Tap Send and paste the Coindcx USDT deposit address. After that, select the same network as you choose in Coindcx, such as TRC20, ERC20, or PEP20, and enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Now, double-check the wallet address, network, and amount to ensure everything is correct. Complete any two-factor authentication or verifications if prompted. Then tap Send and wait for the blockchain confirmation. Transfers on TRC20 usually take just a few minutes. Finally, open Coindcx, go to Wallet and select USDT, and check that your balance has been updated. If the funds do not appear after confirmation, use the transaction ID to track it on a Block Explorer or contact Coindcx support for help. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.